Team Big Dog Man, of course.
I don't like the wind.
Oh. Of course, it's how Marcus Allen only moves with his butt. Oh, look at that butt maneuver. Oh, nice. Can he reach the top? He or she? Don't want to be offensive. Oh. Oh, the one-legged Willy. Oh! Waving his hands in the air just like he doesn't care. And here comes Quentin Breeter. Oh, wow. Just with ease. Slapping armpits. Grab right onto that titty.
Oh, yeah, why does...
Huh?
Somebody in the chat suggests Jervis playing Mount Your Friends.
Is this on Mac?
Oh, Jervis has got a Mac.
If it's on Mac, he can.
The Mac.
His foot stuck in his crotch.
Woo!
And here's Granville Usury.
When I say oos,
you say Uri. Oh, just like the Usos.
Oh, he got his nickname from forgetting his wife's Usurversary.
Wow. Sure he did. Huh? Huh? Oh. Oh, fuck. Fuck. Alright.
This is just him playing a character. He knows he can actually.
He's just showing off now.
He's adding some hope spots to a very.
Oh!
Wow!
Sticks to landing. Pablo Fedina.
What's his story?
Oh, he's got lactating nips. Oh, trying to right up his ass! The flagpole sitter. I can't believe he did it.
Come on.
Who's listening to the stream, Sprite?
Oh. I
Not your
didn't
friends-
realize I was unmuted.
Well, you sound better now.
Oh.
Get your fucking
Oh,
filthy...
my arm!
Get your filth... Oh my god!
arm!
Here comes Ten Zimenez. From the Isle of Samoa.
Zimenez. I love Zimenez. I have his jersey at home.
Oh, he's working it. Wow, the stanky leg. Do the stanky leg.
Yeah,
Do
but
the
he's got to go
stanky
take a
leg.
shower after. Like, duel.
He's having quite a hard time here. He's trying to get...
Whoa!
He's trying to slingshot himself. Doesn't have the momentum he wants, though.
I think his crotch is weighing him down here.
Oh, he's got... You know, Ted Zimenez known for his big balls. His balls... Oh, giving him a tough time here. Oh! Oh, using his balls to get up there.
I feel like he's itching his balls with his knee.
He's kicking himself in the balls.
Happening?
He's kicking himself in the balls, Jericho. And Zachary Ferriola. He doesn't fuck around.
Look at those areolas.
He doesn't fuck around. He's got no time for this. Oh, repositioning. Oh. He doesn't fuck around.
Not at all. He loves that goat, though.
It does.
He comes from the fighting goats of Notre Dame.
Oh, he just pulled himself up right by his cock.
Still concerned about that one arm being detached from their body. Oh, look at that dong dingle.
Oh. He's jerking off in his face! Oh my god!
Oh, vintage Zachary
The
Ferriola.
disrespect! And now he's flexing. Double flex is coming up. Oh, he doesn't know how to do it.
Oh,
Yeah.
boy.
Here comes Meryl Wanker. Just the R there is silent and it goes at the end. Oh, representing Team Big Dog Man. Sponsored by VLC. Making his way uptown.
Uptown Funk.
He's an Uptown Funk. He's in an Uptown Funk right now. Oh no!
He tried.
Uptown Funk you up!
He can't move.
He's so stuck! He's got 23 seconds though. That's more than enough time to throw himself up. It's making me throw up right now, Atile. Go, wanker! Throw yourself! Like the whore you are! You can do it, man! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Team Big Dog Man has been eliminated.
God damn it! Fucking wind! Go, Israel Klinovich!
Oh, that's a tile. Why was I hitting buttons? I thought it was
What
me.
is he doing?
He's doing the double axe handle technique. Oh, he's gonna grab the goat's butt.
Oh. Vintage Israel.
Is real or is fake?
Call me Ishmael. Oh!
I say you the fake, and I am the real. Oh, doing the Spider-Man. Doing the Mary Jane.
Peter Parker.
Picked up.
Bonesaw.
Oh, is he ready? Oh, his brother. He didn't expect his brother. Look how shocked he is. He didn't think his brother was in here. They're both so shocked. Brother. He's touching his face as he is blind.
Oh, the other brother.
Now you're just being racist, Jericho.
The youngest brother.
Oh, so sticky. He's known for that sticky icky. He can't really do any. Oh, fuck. Can't do any really crazy jumps here. Time for a crazy jump. Gotta wind it up. Shit. Okay, I guess never mind. Jericho, your commentary is so excellent.
Yeah, fine. You want me to commentate?
Of course.
I remember that in 1997, when this man's father, Woodrow Cow.
Why does his father have a different last name?
Because they're Chinese. Their surname is Woodrow.
Oh, I see. Chinese.
Yes. They come from
he's
the
gonna do something
Woodrow
crazy.
dynasty.
Oh no, he's not. Wow, this is getting a little too familiar up here.
What do you mean by that?
They all have blue on.
Oh my god, if I was green, I would die. And here comes Buff Daddy.
Look at that mustache. He's so happy. He's just happy to be here, Jericho.
He likes to have fun. Whoa.
Oh, the spider monkey.
And will we see his vintage maneuver? Utter destruction. With a D, because he's a cow.
Doesn't know what he's doing right now, really.
He's preparing to milk himself.
Oh, fuck!
Oh, he goes for the inside-out Oreo.
Oh, utter destruction! Wally, you're sprung! I'll say you're sprung right now, Jericho.
Oh, if I was green, I would die.
Let's check out on the other game. I got 6 minutes left.
I got 13.
I should probably check, but my TV shut itself off.
No, don't worry about it. Once ours is done.
Also, my controller's plugged into my laptop and I can't turn it on.
I think you can press the button and turn it on, but it's not a big deal.
Let's dispel once and for all with this fiction. That a Wally Osprey doesn't know what he's doing.
He
knows
what
exactly what he's doing.
That's true. Oh!
Whoa, he's mounting his friend!
Oh, he's...
The arrogance!
He's getting down! The full mount!
The WDS!
And he doesn't seem very fazed by it, he seems very happy about it.
And here comes the CEO of Facebook, Trevor Zuckerberg. Oh, right on the knee. This man loves knees. Oh!
Oh, just show it off for the crowd.
Look at the arm strength. Oh, boy.
He's waving to his adoring fans.
His one fan.
That he's adored by. Oh, fuck. Alright. Fucking... Come on! Fuck!
He really wants to get over.
Doing everything he can. Oh! Bringing it back for his partner! He's beating the shit out of him! Giving him the handles. Kristoff Erps. Always ready to fight. And fighting he will do. Right you are, Ken. Oh, slapping him. Bringing him up.
In other news, much like Dino, LT declined my friendship because he thought I was an NL fan.
Did he really? Wait, Dino declined you too?
Well, no, LT
just
was like, oh, for fuck's sake, I declined you at first because I thought you were a random NL fan.
Wow, good shit on.
Damn, this is why I wasn't friends with them.
Because
They don't know me.
you're in the group and they think you're a rando. Oh, he's giving up a pit stop! Unbelievable. This is getting heated here, Jericho. He's jerking off into his open mouth.
Oh! Oh, blue!
If it was green, I would die.
Ooze Bio Bundy. Bundy.
He's Bio Bundy.
He's made from biodegradable fossil fuels.
Okay.
He's a living mutant.
But what's his
hired
campus sign?
To win Team Tankman.
What's his campus?
What's his campus sign, though?
I don't know. He never went to college. Oh.
He didn't go to
That's Gennaro Naro.
He didn't go to Christopher Nowinski. Went to community college. What a cocky bastard! Oh, he's gotta walk up.
I have to confirm or deny LT's request now.
You should deny him. Say sorry. I don't accept.
You're some random fucking NL.
Oh, the bicycles! Say I only accept Americans.
Narrow.
Grab on.
His head! He oiled up before this, Jericho!
Oh no! Oh!
These mountain of men.
How much is too much? Whoa! The
Wow.
curly legs. That was his campus sign. Damien Oslin, son of Damien Oslin. Olsen. From the Olsen twins.
The Olsen.
Everywhere you look. There's a fart. Oh!
Oh.
What a tank.
All of his limbs are wrapped up. Young Dobes!
This will be the toughest test for young dopes thus far.
Oh, I could tell.
His grandpappy, Old Dopes, died during this same maneuver in 1972.
Wow, what a whore. That
Do it
Team Milk,
for Pappy Dobes!
that Team Milkman likes to show off. Oh, he's going up, suction cupping his way up.
Oh, just like an octopus.
Just like an octopus.
Oh.
Oh no!
Oh! The toughest test for young dopes!
Dong Yobes!
Dong Yobes! Oh man, he blew it. His
Just
whole
like an
family's
octopus!
what a sticky situation for young dopes.
If I was green, I would die!
Oh my god, I can't believe he blew that.
I told you he wasn't gonna fucking win. Fuck you. Yeah! Alright, Sprite, can you get in? What did he
I have
just
to go
say?
now.
You fucking bitch!
I told
he
you
has to take a shower.
Go wipe your ass.
I say we have one more.
Alright, for all the marbles.
I was unfairly a loser.
You lost on your own. You fuck.
Let's go sideways.
Let's get crazy!
Let's get crazy.
Let's go sideways? What do you mean? The spawns?
No, like the sideways mounting.
Oh, I see, yes. Like, this one?
But also have it be stormy.
He has the top right one.
Oh,
Oh, this one? Oh, okay. Oh my god, okay.
so you gotta be really careful with this one.
Alright, here we go.
Actually, the storm is probably gonna help on this one.
Oh boy.
Maybe.
One
Go.
slip up and you'll be slipped. Lewis Ferry.
But if you throw yourself, you might get, like, pushed way too far.
Luis Ferry.
Louis.
Whoa, he's like a Ferrari.
Don't touch the bottom. You might get
Oh my gosh.
sand in your vagina.
The stanky knee.
Look at that dick.
Climb the goat. And here comes my man, Weston Johansson.
He's so excited. He's so shocked he got in here. That's a sleepy goat. He's doing the sleepy goat right now. Oh no.
Oh god.
Oh. I saw this in his fetish video. Oh no. Fuck my life. Oh, he's doing the surfboard. In these stormy conditions. What a cocky heel. Oh, the dong sitter.
Of course.
Having some trouble. Doing everything but advancing. Help me! Oh my god. How the hell did you even end up like this? Zachary Dildo!
Oh, what's wrong with him? He's a one-eyed snake.
Oh!
Just like that.
Just like that! He only had one eye, that wasn't fair!
He had no depth perception.
He couldn't figure out what was going on.
Here comes Noberto Brunswick.
He's going the wrong way!
What's he doing? Well, this is gonna be the easiest victory in history. With only one person.
What's happening? Just let the wind take you, fuck it!
Oh my god!
The fuck are you doing?
Trying something's not working too well.
What are you doing? Was that worth it?
Oh, the headbutting goat, of course!
He needed 20 seconds to set it up.
Was it worth it? Oh, he's spanking that ass.
Jesus.
Oh! Isaiah Townsend, of course. With his socks on, like a pervert.
Shut up. He's cold.
If you wear socks to bed, you're a pervert. You heard it here first. Look how cold he is. And here comes Jan Island, from the island of Samoa.
What's his Samoa sign? Oh, be careful with those jumps.
Oh god.
As we saw with Team Tankman.
Fuck off.
What was the plan there?
He had one eye! What the fuck do you want from me? Oh. Oh, he's trying to be slippery snake here.
Trying to make it difficult for Ulysses Burry.
Oh. I think this is the second time we've seen Ulysses. And she's gotten better from the last time. Spreading her legs like no other could. Oh, the pit stop. Perfect. Perfect placement. Beautiful abs.
Oh, well, thank you.
Oh yeah, beautiful abs. Don't touch the bottom. You can't. If you touch the bottom, you're done. Okay. Gosh, yet.
Not yet.
Not yet. There you go. He's a gushit. Oh. Oh wow. Rough handling here, Jericho.
Oh.
He's saying he's okay. Oh. Burnham Brookshaw, looking a little shy today.
Much like every day.
So shy, doesn't even want to touch the goat, just touching the goat's pole. Burnham Brookshaw, well known for touching goat pole. Making our way across. Oh, almost there. You have a big opening in the jump if you want. Oh, what a dive! The no handy.
Oh, I know all about that.
I hope to get a handy from Bertha Brookshaw later on tonight, you know?
She's so shy.
Oh! Her arm! Oh, what is she doing? Going for scum tactics. Better be careful. Oh, Lindat.
Not that.
What the? Lindat, so dedicated. Jericho, so dedicated to the sport that Lindat has shown up very ill.
Sick boy. Whoa!
Oh.
Whoa! Six the landing on
That
me.
was an ill maneuver there, I must say.
Had to grab onto the sock there.
Lindat. What's his story?
Big jump coming up.
Oh boy.
Oh. Will he get the other sick?
Maybe that's his plan. Floyd Muse! The first cat to compete in this tournament, of course.
Of course.
Will he scratch and claw his way to victory? Or will he just hang upside down like an asshole? Oh, wow. Almost taken away by the storm. The eye of the storm. Oh, God. Sketchy business here, Tile. Grabbing right onto the toes. Toe strats. Haven't seen that in a while. Oh, he's getting crazy. I don't know what you're planning on here. Don't do it. Oh, shit. And here comes...
Oh, what's on his head?
Well, it's a Will Coxon, of course.
Oh, I love them. They're very rare these days.
Will Coxon. Making his debut in this. Oh, God! The Rumpa Stomp, Jericho.
Oh, I hate that! Look how easy he gets to the end already.
Until the end, and then he struggles. He forgot how to use his arms.
High five!
He loves cats, Jericho.
Oh, there's one right now!
Oh, wow. Jericho's got a team of big pussies. Oh. And the launch. Perfect. Oh. We all know cats don't really have knees, so he's having trouble here using them. Oh. A little struggle here. Oh, he's a replacement, repositioning. Very smart. Little sticky situation. Almost at the end. Oh, rolling thunder. Oh, praying mantis. High five. Oh, nice. Stacy Sotos.
Oh, I love her spread in Playboy 96.
What's her story? Other than her play point.
Look at the arrogance of Stacy.
Wow. Moving with ease. The greatest of ease.
That superhero.
That superhero Stacy Sotos.
What's her plan here?
She's getting nervous.
What's she's stepping? She does
She's
suffer from
stuck.
epilepsy.
She's stuck. She's epilepsy.
Apparently.
This camera work. Terrible.
I'm gonna have epilepsy.
Jeez.
Stop. Oh.
Trying to grab the
no,
kitty.
she can't reach the pussy.
I just wish she wants to pet the pussy so bad.
Oh.
Oh boy, this is gonna be sketchy for Team Big Dogman. Jasper Chanoin. What's there to say about Jasper Chanoin, Tile?
His name's Jasper.
Oh yeah. You know who else is named Jasper? Jasper Error, of course. Former WWE commentator. He didn't really commentate. Oh, slippery. Nice. Good moves. Swim move. This is gonna come down to the wire, ladies and gentlemen, as Lavern Javari. Jarvi. Sorry.
Javari. It's the Golden Warrior.
Lavern Javari. Will we see another headbutt goat attempt, Jericho?
I hope so. Wow.
Oh.
Ass to hand magic.
Wow, the slapper.
Slap on.
Did you ever have a clap on? The clapper?
No.
Clap on, clap off, clap on, clap off. The clapper. I didn't have one either.
I'm not an old person.
Was that only for old people?
They couldn't get up. Just switch off the light.
Wow, they should fucking grow up.
Oh!
Oh, and the one that gets the most pussy, Frank Tang. And there's a bunch of pussy in this lineup. As Team Big Dogman advances.
For fuck's sake!
Throwing his body carelessly. Lazy Frank Tang. Just sloppily climbing over everybody.
That's how he does it!
As if this isn't
Oh, no!
He just doesn't care. Oh, God. 15 seconds. Oh, what a save. Here comes Erwin Olafon.
It's my favorite Digimon.
Erwin or you win, Jericho?
Look at that person in the chat saying he's done. Fuck you!
Team Big Dogman staying in here. Is Team
Oh no! He gets chopped in this corner all the time!
Erwin Olaman stepping up for Team Milkman.
Oh boy! Oh,
Boy, the cartwheel. Just throwing himself at everybody like a slut. Oh boy! Sketchy business.
That was a leap of faith.
He's having some trouble. He doesn't want to step on that cutie there. There comes Isaiah's ruse. And what a ruse it would be if he were to lose right now. The ruse is lose. Wow, look at that Speedo. Oh no, the deadly pit. Oh no! The pit of terror. The pit of danger. Many men have walked miles through that pit of danger. And Isaiah's ruse is one of them. Let's focus too much on kicking everybody. Throw yourself. Not like that. Go. Go, man. Oh, no. Oh, no. You better hurry up. Go. Oh, no. Throw yourself. No! And Team Milkman takes it again.
But the one who really took it in the ass was Team Tankman.
Listen, if you give me handicapped players, what do you want from me? Is your game done? Check first.
I would assume
Minus.
so.
Alright, -2.
If it's... Alright. Okay.
I'm gonna put this back in my fucking PS4. Actually, no, it should be charged now.
Sucking a dick, yeah. Sucking
Yeah.
a dick.
Yeah.
My black pussy. Very surprised that I woke him up.
Sorry, what was that?
My black pussy woke up.
Alright, man.
I'm sorry. Oh, there it is. For King's Casino and Slot.